All right, just a little booty pop.
Some give it up, some give it up, some give it up to our girls. 5 million
To our
and 40
girls.
naughty shorty. Baby girl,
We're gonna stomp that right foot out. Here we go, watch.
Well, I'm on the way, the time cold, I wanna be
Left,
keeping you warm.
right.
I got the right temperature for shelter.
Every
you
time
from
he
the
says
storm.
this, we go here.
Girl, I got the right
So once you have that rhythm, you better add your personality, your flavor into it. Okay, here we go. We're gonna chug. Chug. We do 2 squats. Hannah's doing the jump squat. If you want that, go with her. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, we got that right leg stomp. Nice, Hannah. Do it again. This time, we're gonna scoop out to the right and then knees. Here we go. Scoop, scoop. 4, 3, 2, do it again.
And if it is out of me, if it is out, 'cause I got the remedy for make it stress out. Me have a flat to become a god bless out. And girl, if you want it, you have to confess out. And I like
All right, back into that stop. See what I mean?
Well, I'm on the way, the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you
Back
can be
into that
the
chug
mom.
squat. I'm gonna do a jump squat.
You
have the option there. Yeah.
Woman, don't blame me now, 'cause I'm a fence and fat, not greedy, yo.
Uh-oh.
My loving is the way to go.
Last
My loving
one,
is the way
right
to go.
leg, stop.
Well, woman, the way the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And
All right, we got that scoop out, knees. My legs are burning, let's go.
When they roll with a brother like me, with a brother like me, girl, there is no other. No need to talk it right here, the spark it right here, keep it undercover. Come in love how you fit in your blouse and you fat in your jeans, I'm a wild discover.
We got that right leg stomp. Get it, let's go.
Well, I'm on the way, the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the
Let's
mom.
chug it. Chug.
Because the girl them broke out on the floor from you don't wanna work this performer. From you don't wanna man where can't turn you on, girl, make I see you when them upon you.
Remember, you can double squat if you want. Challenge yourself though.
Well, I'm on the way, the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you
Notice
from
I'm
the
stomping
storm.
with a little twist. If you want it, take it. Do it.
Wanna be the papa, you can be the mom.
Hup. 2 squats. All right, we're gonna put those last 2 moves together. Scoop it out. Just have yourself a little soca dance party. Let's take it around in a circle. Boom, 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 boom. 4, 3, you better strike that pose, girl.